Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Tech. I'm super excited today because I'm gonna unbox and review the Bambu Lab P1S. This is my first 3D printer after my one-half duplicator i3 I had in college 6 years ago. That machine was able to get 240 degrees Celsius in the hot end and a speed of 4 millimeters per second. Of course, as long as you were able to get the filament stick to the bed. I even used a piece of glass with hairspray to be able to get a decent first layer. But here I am, jumping into 3D printing again. After 6 years of not printing anything, here we are unboxing a new machine. I choose the Bambu Lab P1S for many reasons. Of course, the positive reviews played a part, but the main reason is because I was looking for a machine that it wouldn't require a lot of tweaking to get functional parts. I want to focus on projects where the 3D printing is only a part of the challenge, not the whole challenge. Based on everything I read, this machine seems like the right decision, but that's only my hypothesis. Let's see if it holds up. Time to release the beast.
The package was pretty solid. It had a dent, but I understand that this comes from very far away, so it is fine to me. It comes with these holes so you can carry it easily. Let's open the box. It comes with all the foam and plastic airbags that you would expect from something like this. 26 pounds is not easy to carry, so it would be a better idea if you had someone else to help you. The plastic was resistant. It didn't feel like it was going to collapse, as I was thinking. At the bottom of the box, you will find the 3 rolls including 250 grams of filament, more foam, plus this little mechanism to build a watch that you will need to print. I went ahead and cut the first plastic wrapping. Then I removed the top glass cover, very well secured with tape. Here, I found, I think, some kind of precautions and warranty booklet. Inside, the first thing I found was the accessories box and more foam. Then, I removed the front glass door by tearing the tape holding it. Okay, time to open the accessories box. Here, you will find the cables for the AMS, an extra hot end, the spool holder that goes on the back, the very nicely wrapped screen, a long hex key Allen wrench, 2 different types of grease. I think this is the hot end cleaning tool, some 3M double-sided tape, a shorter hex key Allen wrench. I think these are spare hot end cleaning things for when the machine switches spools with the AMS. I think these are filament cutter spare blades. I really like all this spare stuff. The door feels very nice. Some silica. It has many plastic packagings inside that keep everything in place that we need to unscrew. Here I tried to use the long side of the Allen wrench. It didn't work. The short one works, but it is going to take too long. This was a very unfortunate finding, and quite frustrating. Considering the price, I was expecting to find a flawless experience. As expected, it didn't work for the inner bolts as well. But luckily, I had a screwdriver and an adapter to screw the rest of the packaging. This step was not fun, so let's speed it up. Here, I show closer the issue with the Allen wrench. The short part fits, but the large doesn't. I removed some more screws. The printer's head is very well packed. The top lid feels very nice, the packaging as well. Connecting the screen is very straightforward. Okay, let's move to the AMS. Here are the PTFE tubes. Within these vents, we will find some silica bags that are wrapped, so it is important to remove the packaging first. We remove all the plastic wrapping. We put the silica bags back. Here are the spool mount screws. Let's install it. We install the PTFE tubes. Let's connect the AMS cables. Alright, time to turn it on. Here are the filament spools included with the machine. 250 grams of the support PLA. The packing is very nice. 250 grams of the normal orange PLA. 250 grams of the normal green PLA. Okay, let's install them. Once the machine detects the filament, it starts to pull it in. This is so nice. I also bought 1 kilo of green translucent PETG filament for 19 bucks. The AMS also auto-detects the color of the filament. Let's start the machine. It seems it takes a couple of minutes to initialize for the first time. It took 6 minutes calibrating the printing bed. Now, let's print a benchy with the default settings. They claim it will take 18 minutes. Let's find out. It takes around 2 minutes to heat up the bed. I'm also counting that. So it took 20 minutes in total, so it seems the 18 minutes claimed by Bambu Labs is accurate. To test the multicolor printing and the integrated camera, I printed the spatula preloaded in the machine. A support for my portable screens, and of course, an axolotl. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video and you want to support, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.